the church, there is only one good shepherd, is Jesus himself. But he provides shepherds for his flock, for his people. And we have to receive the new bishop with this sight of faith. He is the one the Lord has sent. He came in the name of the Lord.
Ang kanyang episcopal motto, "Be consoled, my people." Ang Diyos na mapagkalinga sa kanyang bayan, nagtitiwala sa atin para maging mga katuwang niya sa pagbibigay ng kalinga, pagdamay sa mga nagdurusa. When there is suffering, people pray to God for consolation. And I want to remember one of the apostolic administrators of the Diocese of Malolos, named Ricardo Vidal. He served in this diocese. He served here. And he went to Lipa, and then later on to Cebu. And in Cebu, he had a personal secretary, Dennis. His consolation, and I'm sure you were very much consoled and comforted too by such a gentle, tender bishop. And now you are here. We entrust to you Bishop Dennis. Be his consolation, please. The episcopal ministry is not easy. Someone must do it, and you do it in faith. And even your consolation is not always palpable. Your consolation is in faith. Bishop, we also entrust this beautiful community, rich in history, rich in faith, to your consoling and comforting ministry.
Maging panatag kayo, bayan ko. Ipagpatuloy natin ang pagkalinga sa isa't isa, katulad ng pagkalinga sa atin ng ating ina, ang Immaculada Concepcion. Naway turuan niya tayong maging panatag ang kalooban, dahil ang ating Diyos mismo, ang Panginoong Hesukristo, ang tunay nating butihing pastol, ang siyang nagbibilin sa atin. Consolamini populi meus, be consoled my people. Maging panatag kayo, bayan ko.